Obviously, it's important based on who you're targeting, right? So if you're in the US and you're promoting something in Australia, you have to make sure you launch at the right time, right? Because launching in the morning here is already the evening over there. So that's good. That's a good thing because you're hitting the evening rush when everyone's home on their computer. If I'm in the evening here and I launch for Australia, I'm getting people right when they're waking up. They might not even be buying anything. And the same thing could be said in a variety of other countries from where I am right now, right? And the same thing could be is, if you're in Malaysia, Singapore, in the UK, you have to know what my time zone is in the US and when am I buying something. So like for right now, it's 7 p.m. where I am. On the East Coast, it's 9 p.m. On the West Coast, it's 6. So this is peak period for everyone in the US to buy stuff right now. This is when people are buying stuff. They're at home on Amazon buying things. They're on a website buying stuff. It's the evening, but guess what? If you're overseas, I'm saying overseas, for people on the other side of the world, for me, if they're turning on ads now, they're getting the buyers right now. If I turn on ads right now for over there, I'm getting people who are sleeping. I'm getting people who are just waking up and they're not thinking about buying anything. So you have to be aware of the time zones, and too many people I find overseas make that mistake because they're launching it when it's convenient for them and not when it's convenient for the people that they want to have people buy from.